Hey my natural beauties, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial featuring these jumbo passion twists using some Kanekalon braiding hair all the way down to my waist and perfect for summer. In this video I will also feature 3 ways you can style these braids, so if you want to see, y'all already know, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching.
Perfect.
Alright babes, let's go. So as you guys can see, my hair is super dry, but that is nothing new. My hair has been very dry lately, and if you guys look closely you can see around the perimeter of my head is where I have a lot of breakage. So I'm giving you guys a heads up that I will be doing another big chop very soon because I'm getting very tired of it. It's very uneven and very dry, but anyways, that's a different story. Let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is get our braiding hair, and I'm using the soft jumbo Kanekalon braiding hair from the brand Realistic. I love this texture because it's not too smooth, so that makes it perfect. So we're gonna get our hair, we're also gonna get some rods, and what we're gonna do is curl up that hair on the rods. Now this I got from another YouTuber that tried this, but she did it a little bit different. I'm gonna leave her link down in the description bar. She also shows you guys how to package the hair and all of that, so you guys can see the variety of textures and colors that I chose. I ended up using 10 packs of hair, but of course all the info to everything I use will be down in the description bar below, so you guys can just click the show more section to get all that info. I'm going to be using my Ossion Ultra Hair Wax, and this is the white one, and this is going to help me to define my parts and make everything a little bit more neat. So the curls don't have to be perfect the way you make them. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just applying a bit of the wax on my hand, and I'm going to use that to define my parts at the top and the bottom of each section. I didn't want it to be too neat, so you guys will see me go in with my finger. When I don't use the comb, I'll just use my finger to do my parts, and it works out perfectly fine for me. So I use 2 locks of hair for each twist, and these locks of hair are not very thick, so I definitely call them medium. And I'm basically just going to braid the hair at the root like a regular plait, and then once I've gone down 2 to 3 inches, I'm going to begin twisting. Now what you can do is when you get to the end of your hair, go ahead and apply some more product so that your hair doesn't peep through, and also twist that section right at the end of your hair a little bit tighter, so it makes it a little bit difficult. Curly hair tends to unravel very easily, so you have to do the twists tight, and at the end of the twist, towards the end, you can make it a little bit more loose so that it has body. So I had a bit of a struggle because the hair was so long, but it's no big deal. Like, just do whatever makes you comfortable in terms of twisting the hair out. And you guys will see me kind of hold up pieces of hair to make sure that I like where I'm putting each color. So in my combination of colors, I had number 2, 1B, number 30, and number M1B30, which is like a black and blonde mix. I wanted to get like a natural highlight and low light type of look. All the color combinations and the info on all the hair will be left down in the description bar, as well as all the products that I use in this video. I also want to point out, guys, that in the end I had 38 twists on my head. When you get to the front of your hair, be sure to leave out some of your edges so that you can do your baby hair action, and also just so you don't put too much pressure on your hairline. Once your twists are done, they're going to be looking something like this, just depending on where you placed your colors. But then you're going to work on your edges. So I'm just taking some more of that wax, brushing down my edges so that they lay flat, and you know, I can have that nice little visible baby hair look. Yeah. And also, this is definitely something that isn't going to be very, like, you know, like long lasting, this edge work. So you can go ahead and use the Gorilla Snot or the Got To Be if you want something a bit more long lasting. I'm going to do a bit of scalp work by applying my oil. This is a DIY oil mix and I'm using it to moisturize my scalp. I will be sharing the details on this oil mix when I've been using it consistently enough, because it has a lot of great properties in there. So I'm just applying this and making sure that I get everywhere. It also possesses anti-age properties, which will make it better when you do braid styles. So I'll be sharing the details on this soon if it does work. But this is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love it. Like, it literally just screams summer, guys. Like, look at that length, and the body is literal heaven. Like, look at that. These twists are so juicy. I didn't end up using an entire 10 packs because I actually wore this hair like 2 or so times before. So here you guys can see me just showing you a quick style. I actually featured 3 of these styles in this video. The first one is a cute half up half down type vibe, very summer, perfect for a date night or so on. I love this one. And the next one is also half up half down, but with a bun at the top instead of a ponytail, and that is also very cute. For my girls with a 5 head, you will love this style because when your hair is up, your 5 head looks way cuter, girl. And the final style is more of something a bit more elegant. You guys would have seen this style in a couple of my other styling videos of braids and stuff. I'll link some of those below in the description bar for you. So basically this style is a bit more elegant for something more formal. And yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this. If you do decide to try it, don't forget to tag me on my socials at NaturallyMsToya. Thanks guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.